Hello everyone, Namaste. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I would like to extend my warmest wishes and welcome to you all on the beginning of our classes. Let me first introduce myself. It's me Pratiksha Dulal and I am here to teach you science of grade 3. So today we are going to learn the new topic, new unit, unit number 5, that is we and our surrounding or our environment. First of all, we will talk about our environment. So as we know, our environment means that place where all the living and non-living things live there. So environment, that surrounding which consist of both living and non-living things, that is called environment. So environment भनेको के हो, के रहेछ? The place where the surrounding, where the all living and non-living things live there, that is called environment. So anything around us, that makes environment. We know that nowadays our environment has become so polluted, isn't it? You can look on page number 60. You can look on that picture. All of you take out your book and observe, open your book on page number 60 and observe that picture, and you can look here. There are so many garbages, the factories near, and here is some polluted rivers. So you can look on that figure, there are polluted, so that makes the polluted environment. Now we will go through our lesson. So environment is that place where all the living and non-living things live. So we should make our environment clean as well as we should make our house clean, isn't it? And we know different kinds of wastage are produced every day in our household activities. Wastage which are produced are inside and outside the house activities. So the wastage are के होला त्यो फोहोरहरू, that may be the vegetable scarf, that may be the vegetable scarf. So vegetable scarf means it is the leftover part of plant, leftover part of vegetable, whatever you can say. So that is vegetable scarf. Bathroom and kitchen water which we throw, unnecessary water, then paper, plastics, glass, metal pieces, they are etc. They are all the household wastage which we throw. So these are the wastage which is produced inside and outside the house activities, as well as cattle and other animal also produces wastage. They all make surrounding very dirty. You know that all animals may also produce wastages. Now look here, if we burn firewood in open places, open place मा हामीले दाउराहरू बाल्यो भने के हुन्छ? The fire makes the air dirty. In this way the air also get polluted. So look on the page number 61 on the top of the paragraph. Dirty things attract, we know that dirty things attracts flies and mosquitoes. So fly and mosquitoes carry different kind of diseases, different types of diseases and germs which makes us sick and which makes us unhealthy. So we should make our environment, we should make our house, we should make our surrounding very clean. Now here is the next topic, that is our surroundings become polluted because of the following reasons. So here are some reasons. In this way our surrounding has become polluted. Now I will read it point by point and you have to write it, okay? You have to write that point also. Okay, our surroundings becomes polluted in many ways because of following reasons. So I will read all those reasons which is given in the book. First point is people have less knowledge about the importance of clean environment. So many of the people do not know the importance of the clean environment. They do not know we should make our environment clean, so they throw wastage here and there. In this way our environment also getting polluted. So first point is not knowing the importance of, so they have less knowledge in the importance of cleaning and the importance of cleaning of the surrounding. So they have less knowledge on the importance of the surrounding, not knowing the importance of cleaning of surrounding by the people. So people don't know the knowledge about the importance of the clean environment, so they throw wastage here and there, they fire the firewood wherever they want. So this is one of the reason. Then the second point is, which is given in your book, people do not make toilet. In the rural areas also they do not have toilet. The people who live in rural area, they even don't have the toilet, and they squat near the sources of water or whatever they like. They do whatever they like, wherever they want to do. So the next point is not making toilet. So to make our surroundings or environment, to make our environment clean, we should also make toilet. So this is also one of the reason which makes our surrounding polluted. Then the third point is, all of you look on your book, which is on page number 61. There are no proper ways of draining out dirty water from houses, and drain pipes are directly connected with the rivers. So what we throw from our houses, they are directly connected with the rivers. So rivers also getting polluted. So the next one is by throwing dirty water into rivers. So this is also one of the reason that makes our surrounding polluted, by throwing dirty water into the river. People wash their clothes, they bath on the river. So in this way our surrounding has become polluted. Then the next point is wastes are not properly disposed. So this is I think this is the main reason that makes our surrounding polluted. Wastes, there are two types of wastes, decaying wastes and non-decaying wastes. So the management of wastes are not good in our surrounding. That also a main reason that makes our surrounding polluted. So wastes are not properly disposed. They all mix the wastes in all together, that makes the surrounding polluted. So next one is not disposing wastes properly. So they throw both decaying and non-decaying wastes in the same bags or plastics. So wastes are not managed properly. So this is the main, I think this is the main reason that makes our surrounding polluted. Then the last one is, we know that domestic animals are not under control, and they pass dung here and there. So domestic animals also are not in control, they living freely in the environment, which makes our surrounding polluted. So living animal freely, so they pass the dung here and there, which makes our surrounding polluted. So these are some of the reasons that makes our surrounding polluted. One is not knowing the importance of cleaning of the surrounding by the people. People don't know about the importance of the clean environment. And second one is not making toilets. They do not have toilet also, and they do here and there or near the sources of water, which also makes the water polluted. And the question number 3 is by throwing dirty water into the rivers. Fourth point is not disposing wastage properly, and the fifth point is leaving animal freely. They leave the animal, the domestic animals are not under control, and they pass dung here and there. So these are the some reasons that makes our surrounding polluted. Okay, I think you have already written this. Now we will go to the next point, that is methods of keeping our surrounding or environment clean. Now we will read some of the methods which we have to make our environment clean. So methods of keeping our environment clean. Keeping our environment clean. Okay, now we will read some of the methods how we can make our environment clean and polluted free. Okay, all of you look on page number 61. Now we will go to our main topic, that is methods of keeping our environment clean. Okay, first point is, you have to note it down because it is very important. One number is, look on page number 62. The waste rubbish should be burnt or buried in a pit. Pit means a hole, and we have to keep the wastage into the pit. Remember, one should not burn plastic. We should not burn plastic because it makes our air polluted. So we should not burn plastic, because the smoke of the plastic burning is very harmful, as well as it makes the air polluted. So we should not burn plastic, we should bury it into a pit. So point number 1 is by disposing wastage. We have to dispose the wastage in pits and by burning, but plastic should not be burned. So this is the one method. So our next point is, non-decaying wastage should be collected separately, as well as decaying wastage should be collected separately in the separate pits. So I have already told you there are two types of wastage, decaying wastage and non-decaying wastage. Decaying wastage भनेको कुहिने वेस्टेजहरु हो, which get decayed, and non-decaying wastage are the जुन नकुहिने. So decaying wastage and non-decaying wastage should be separated, should be disposed in a separate pit. So non-decaying wastage should be collected separately and decaying wastage should be collected separately, or you can dispose into a pit. So the next point is, non-decaying wastage and decaying wastage should be collected separately. So we should collect these two types of wastage separately, then only we can make our surrounding clean. Then the third point is, Instead of firewood, दाउराको सट्टो we should use smokeless oven for cooking. So we should use smokeless oven for cooking, which makes our air free from polluted. If we use firewood, then it also affect our health. So we should use stoveless, smokeless oven. So smokeless oven should be used for cooking. Then the next point is toilets should be made everywhere, every houses, and kept clean all the time. So we should make toilet. We should not do here and there or near the water sources of water. So we should make toilet. We should make toilets. Toilets are very important, isn't it? So we should make toilet. Then the next point is domestic animals should be kept in shed, and the sheds should be cleaned everywhere. So the house of the domestic animal is definitely that is shed, and those domestic animals should be kept in the shed, and that shed should be cleaned every day. So by keeping domestic animal in sheds, in their sheds, then only our environment will be free from polluted. Then the next point is dirty water coming out of bathroom and kitchen should be drained properly into a safe place. So the dirty water should be drained into the safe place. We should not throw it into the river. As well as the main method of keeping our surrounding clean is plantation. We should plant trees near to our houses, then it will keep the air clean. So plantation, sixth point is plantation of trees to keep air fresh. So we should plant trees, then only our environment will be free from polluted. So all the people should know the importance about the keeping the surrounding clean. So these are some of the methods, and your homework is you have to write the methods of keeping our environment clean, as well as how our surrounding become polluted. So this much for today. You have to write your homework, and thank you. Have a nice day.